This is the Eastern Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Friday, November the 7th. So we have a cold front that will arrive today, and this will bring one final day of scattered showers and gusty winds. Then we have high pressure that will come in over the weekend. This will produce dry weather with lighter winds for the weekend, lingering into the middle part of next week. Current satellite image shows some cloudiness drifting through the region. This is associated with our next cold front. And the weather risk outlook generally calls for little to no impacts over the next 5 days. High temperatures today, still pretty seasonable, with temperatures generally in the low 50s in the Snake Plain and Magic Valley to the 40s for the highlands and central mountains. Chances of precipitation today, looking at showery type precipitation, so scattered type showers, hit and miss type showers, but mainly confined to the highlands and the mountains today. Rainfall amounts look pretty light as a whole, generally confined to the upper slopes and ridges where the heaviest amounts will be found. And down in the valleys, looking at pretty light amounts, generally a tenth of an inch or less. And then snowfall today will generally be 6,500 feet or to 7,000 feet and above. And not surprisingly, we'll see very light accumulations there, except for up in the Tetons. Wind gusts today generally expected to be 25 to 35 miles per hour today, so still pretty breezy, with the highest gusts generally found out across the INL area. We could see some 45 mile per hour gusts out that way this afternoon. Low temperatures tonight will drop below freezing area wide, and chances of precipitation tonight mainly confined to the evening hours and mainly to the eastern highlands as that system pulls away from the region. Rainfall amounts generally expected to be tenth of an inch or less, and mainly focused this evening. And associated snowfall, once again above 6,500 feet, looking at just a light dusting or so. High temperatures for tomorrow are going to be noticeably cooler, with highs in most areas in the 40s. And chances of precipitation tomorrow look to be very, very low, less than 10%. Highest wind gusts tomorrow afternoon as that high pressure area moves into the area. Looks to be less than 10 to 15 miles per hour at most. And low temperatures for tomorrow night expected to be below freezing. And then chances of precipitation still looking pretty dry through tomorrow night. And then as we go into Sunday, we start seeing our temperatures returning back to seasonable levels. 40s in the highlands and upper Snake Plain to low to mid 50s for the Magic Valley and lower Snake Plain. Chances of precipitation for Sunday still looking rather dry, and wind gusts for Sunday afternoon generally 10 to 15 miles per hour or so. So just to summarize, cold front will arrive today, bringing one final day of scattered showers and gusty winds to the region. Dry weather with lighter winds will return for the weekend and will continue through the middle part of next week. That concludes this morning's briefing, and if you have any questions or comments, please reach out to us. Thank you.